Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel at Home with Lizzie. Today we are going to study a very meaningful poem written by John Berryman. At first glance, the poem looks extremely simple, just about a boy losing a ball. But when we read it carefully, we realize it is actually about loss in life, emotional attachment, responsibility, growing up. This poem is part of CBSE Class 10 English syllabus, so understanding its deeper meaning is very important for your exams. And remember, this poem is not just about a ball, it is about life lessons. Let's first understand the poet before we get into the poem. John Berryman was an American poet known for writing deeply psychological and reflective poetry. His poems usually explore human emotions, identity struggles, loss, and maturity, inner emotional conflicts. In this poem, he uses a very ordinary incident, a child losing the ball, to explain something universal, how human beings learn emotional strength through loss. This shows how literature transforms simple experiences into philosophical understanding. Now let's see what happens in the poem. The situation is very simple. A boy is playing happily with his ball. Suddenly, the ball falls into the harbor water and is lost forever. Now, logically, the ball is inexpensive. Another can be easily bought, but emotionally, that ball carries memories. It represents childhood joy. It symbolizes attachment. So the loss becomes emotionally significant, not financially significant. This is the beginning of the boy's emotional growth. Now let's identify the main idea of the poem. The poem communicates a very powerful universal truth that loss is inevitable in life. Emotional attachment cannot be replaced by money. Accepting loss responsibility leads to maturity. Major themes in the poem include growing up, responsibility, acceptance of reality, emotional maturity, and attachment to possessions. For exams, always connect the poem with the idea of psychological growth through loss. Now we move line by line. The poet asks, what is the boy now who has lost his ball? Notice carefully. The focus is not on the ball, it is on the boy. This means loss changes emotions, loss shapes the personality. The ball was happily bouncing earlier. That joyful movement contrasts sharply with the sudden loss. Symbolically, the bouncing ball is representing the carefree childhood happiness of the ball, and the ball sinking represents the sudden end of innocence. This contrast is very important. Now comes the emotional reaction of the boy. The poet says there is no use to say there are other balls. This is a very important exam line. Why? Because emotional attachment cannot be replaced materially. Even if a new ball is bought, the emotional value of lost ball remains unique. It's not the same ball. The phrase ultimate shaking grief shows deep emotional shock in the boy. This teaches us children also experience profound emotions. Now the memory and reflection comes. When the poet says all his young days into the harbor, he means the boy remembers past playtimes, childhood innocence, emotional attachment to the ball. The poet deliberately does not console him. Why? Because some life lessons must be experienced personally. Comfort might delay maturity. Pain often accelerates understanding. This is a deeply psychological observation. So now let's focus on the responsibility which comes to the boy. A dime, another ball, is worthless. Here, the poet rejects the idea that money solves emotional problems. He introduces a philosophical concept responsibility in a world of possession. This means we acquire things, sometimes we lose them. Mature people accept the loss very calmly. This moment marks the boy's first lesson in adulthood. And then comes the universalizing the lesson. And then comes the universal truth. The poet generalizes balls will be lost always, which means loss is something universal and unavoidable. Then he says money is external. That means money exists outside emotions, it cannot repair emotional damage. This phrase, epistemology of loss, simply means understanding the philosophy or knowledge of loss. This is the core philosophical message of the poem. Now let's summarize the poem in short way. A boy loses his ball in water. He experiences intense sadness. The poet observes silently and he realizes emotional values exceed material value. Acceptance leads to maturity and loss teaches responsibility. A small childhood incident becomes a universal life lesson. So now let's focus on the poetic devices which are very important for the exam. The poet uses imagery first in the harbor, water, bouncing ball, which all creates vivid mental picture for the readers. And then comes the symbolism. In the whole poem, the ball symbolizes childhood memories and attachments of the boy, and the poet uses a repetition of what and what, which emphasizes the confused state of the poem. And then comes the alliteration, merrily bouncing creates rhythm in the poem. And finally, metaphor, world of possession, which represents the materialistic life of a human being. Mention the literary devices with examples and text evidences in your answer to add standard to your answer. Now let's move on to the tone and mood of the poem. The tone is very sympathetic yet philosophical, and the mood which is reflected in the poem is reflective, slightly melancholic. The poet is compassionate but not interfering. This observation highlights emotional independence. Now, moving on to the symbolism of the poem, the key symbolic meanings that are given in the poem are as follows. First comes the ball, which symbolizes the childhood and possession, and then the harbor water, which is irreversible loss, and the money represents the material replacement only, not the emotional value. And finally, the boy represents every human being learning his life lessons. Symbolism questions frequently appear in your exam, so be prepared for this type of question with examples which are given in the slide. And now let's focus on some important exam questions which might come in your exams. So they are like, why doesn't the poet console the boy? What does the ball symbolize? Explain the concept why money is external. And how does the poem shows growing up through loss? Discuss the philosophical message of the poem. Always connect answers to the maturity and acceptance concept. Now, moving on to the value based interpretation, the poem teaches students to accept loss very calmly. Emotional strength develops through experience. Material things are very temporary, and maturity comes from responsibility. These points help in value based answers. And finally, coming to the conclusion, loss is unavoidable. Acceptance leads to emotional growth. Every small experience shapes our maturity. This poem transforms a very simple childhood incident into a profound philosophical insight. And that is why it remains deeply relevant. Revise this poem not just for exams but for life understanding, because literature teaches us how to think, how to feel, and how to grow. So that's it for today. And thank you for watching this video till the end. If you felt like this video was helpful, kindly please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And see you soon in the upcoming video.